This 2023 Winnebago Forza 36H is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features an Alpine, mineral, Tapestry interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2023 Winnebago Forza 36H is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.